Warehouses are used to store both raw materials and finished goods, including damaged goods returned by customers.
So who owns these warehouses?
We own some of them. Others are operated by suppliers, distributors, retailers and third-party logistics, 3PL providers.
So are there different types of warehouses?
Yes, there are three major types: manufacturing, distribution, and special purpose and public sector. Let's start with manufacturing warehouses.
Is that like where we store the finished Bean Babies before they go to distributors?
Exactly. Within manufacturing warehouses, there are three types. The first type is a raw material warehouse.
That's like the one where circuit boards are stored right before they're used to make Bean Babies.
There's also work in progress, or WIP warehouses. An example is the place inside the factory where Bean Babies are stored after the timer is assembled and before the warming plate is assembled.
Phew, I thought that was just our production guys being disorganized. What's the last type?
Finished goods warehouses, which is where the Bean Babies go after they're manufactured.
Daniel sees that there are three types of manufacturing warehouses: raw material, WIP, and finished goods warehouses.